Is your site still loading slow despite using Cloudflare? You are probably not caching everything. Let me show you how to fix that in under 5 minutes. We are going to create a cache rule that tells Cloudflare to cache all your static files. Just follow these 9 simple steps. All right, let's jump in. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. Head over to dash.cloudflare.com and log in. This is where we will be doing all our work, so make sure you're in. Now, pick the domain you want to optimize. On the main dashboard, you will see a list of your websites. Click on the one that is loading slowly. That is the domain we are going to fix today. Once you are inside your domain settings, look at the left side panel. Go ahead and click on the section labeled Caching. This is where Cloudflare stores its strategy for how it saves and serves your files. It is a really important area to get right. Inside the caching section, you will see a few different options. Find the one that says Cache Rules and click on it. This is the specific tool we will be using to make our rule. And here is the thing. I have done this setup on live sites multiple times, and this is exactly where you need to be. Now, look for a button that says Create Rule. Click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Cache Rules. This opens up the main rule builder, where all the magic happens. In the rule builder, you need to set the behavior. Find the field or drop-down that says Cache Behavior and change it to Cache Everything. This tells Cloudflare, I want you to store every eligible file on your edge servers. It is a huge shift from the default settings. For simplicity, I recommend clicking the button that says Create from Template. This will pre-fill a lot of the common settings for you. It saves time and makes sure you do not miss anything important, especially if you are new to this. Now, give your rule a name. Type something descriptive in the rule name field. I usually just call mine Cache Everything. It is clean and makes it easy to find later. Finally, scroll down and click the big Deploy button. That is it. Your new cache rule is now active. Cloudflare will immediately start caching your static files, which means your server will handle a lot less load, and your site will load much faster for your visitors. So in just a few minutes, you have gone from a slow, uncached website to a lightning-fast setup that saves you money on hosting costs and keeps your users happy. Thanks for sticking with me. I will see you in the next one.